Hello and welcome to RasoiSmart.com. How to make peanut chikki. To make peanut chikki, you will need roasted peanuts, jaggery, and ghee. Step 1. Grease the steel plate with ghee and keep it aside. Step 2. Heat a pan and melt 250 grams of jaggery on medium heat. Step 3. Once the jaggery starts boiling, add 150 grams of roasted peanuts. Mix and remove from the heat and pour it into a greased plate. Step 4. Cool the peanut chikki for 10 minutes and cut into square shapes. Delicious peanut chikki is ready to serve. For more such easy and fast recipes, log on to www.rasoismart.com. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.